The Adventure of Sofia. On Saturday, it was late afternoon. I was at my surfing shop at Malipo. Suddenly, a woman came to my shop and asked me, "Can I do surf? Can I do surfing?" I wonder and just I um, told her, "Yes, but water is very cold. Is it okay?" She said, "It's okay. I can do it." She has a confidence in her um, decision. Soon I found out, do you have any companies? Soon I found out her husband and baby, small kids, not a baby, small kid. And then she wore on a skirt, and then simply I couldn't give her lesson because uh, she followed the posture of surfing. So and then okay, so you needed to change the wetsuit first. I told her. Then I guided her to the wetsuit room for women. And then I recommended the big one. She changed the wetsuit at the changing room. And then I set up for warm water shower. Then and I came down and waiting for her going down. And in the end, she came down to the first floor where we use the practice in surfing. I gave her a short lesson about the balance and then the posture. And because she doesn't need it, she didn't need the theory or some the step by step book because she only wanted just try surfing and then take photos, some videos, and shortly. Um, Now I realized that her husband took photos and shot videos for her in the room. Okay, so then uh, most of all, and then she a little bit uh, not the cracks of it. Then I just her follow up the balance, and mostly and to feel the wave speed. And I gave her the lesson about the gliding on the subway by doing that the posture of cobra in yoga. Then um, we set up and try to stand up, try to pop up. But if the one time or it's, directly doing pop up, and it's hard for her to successful successfully in the posture. So I gave her the kneel down posture. The kneel down posture is simple, and then just like doing yoga, and then kneel down on the board, and then moving a little bit left leg forward, and then just low position, trying to stand. We practiced a few times, and then I guided her, and already set up the support at the beach side. I already set up at the beach side, and then she followed me with her husband and baby. And then her husband carried the cart for the baby. And then we reached the goal, and I used the uh, red surfer on which there's the blue line. And then the blue line is a good pole. And I gave her how to tie the leash and then the rope of leash and explain about the rope of leash. And then she followed me and we tried to do it again and one more time on the beach side. And then I helped her go outside in the water. And then we tried to paddle out, and then she lied on the board. And then when the waves came, she pushed um, her arm, just like yoga posture, and then she could uh, turn over the waves. And then she could change it direction by paddling a little bit. And then I told her, mm, gliding position. And, and she tried to glide posture like you're doing cobra pose. When the waves, she could sleepily and then surfing on the posture for gliding and then the beach side. At the moment, her husband took photos and took videos for her uh, holding this baby on the left arm and then on the right arm, right hand, and he took videos and photos. And then we did surfing several times and then not stand up, only ride it because she could not swim, so she was afraid of it, but then she was brave. And then she felt a little cold, and then just several times we succeeded in riding, and then she told me, and then I think it's okay. And okay, we took photo and then I came out and then I helped her to get taken picture by her husband. And then I uh, lift up and set up the surfboard uh, just like mm, tree. And then she stood on the next to the surfboard and led the surfboard. And then her husband took photos and videos. And then I asked someone uh, help uh, took photos for the family. And then I hold the backside at the backside, I held the support, and then the family, and then the Sophia's husband and the baby, and mm, they stood on uh, the side, both sides of the surfboard in a big long surfboard inlet, and then they smiled, and a man took photos and videos. It was day and then the interesting and energetic day for her adventure.